what is this?
He just grabbed this door. He just grabbed this door. Oh, burnout.
Good morning, Squirrel fam. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. We're starting off the day going to a car meet in Santana Row. It's my little nephew. Apparently he doesn't know how to say hi. But anyways, I think this is his first car meet ever. Is this true, Sora?
Yep.
Is there any cars you really want to see there, Sora?
Yeah. La Ferrari and Lamborghini Aventador.
That's it? No like Bugatti, no McLaren P1?
Oh yeah, McLaren P1.
6.5 hours later.
488.
I think I gotta help him out. A little bit about the cars.
I be ballin' out. Roosted in my Rari. Roosted in my Rari.
Bruce, what the is wrong with you? Alright guys, so we just got to Santana Row and I'm here with Brandon, right?
Yep.
Brandon and Jonathan. They both Squirrel. You got Squirrel?
Yep.
Part of the Squirrel family? Hell yeah, baby. Family's growing every day and they brought, what did you guys bring?
We brought the Dawn.
The Dawn.
Rolls Royce
Let's go
Dawn.
check it out. Tell me a little bit about your car.
Rolls Royce Dawn, 6.6 liter V12, 650 horsepower. It weighs a lot, 6,500 pounds, I think.
Burgundy with white.
Probably the most comfortable two-door, four-seater car.
Best sound system too. Huh?
Yes, yes.
And this
We have
particular-
upgraded sound.
A while ago.
And this particular one has like all the options on it.
All the options?
All the options, burgundy with white, upgraded sound system.
Yeah, night vision.
It's pretty nice. It's got this it's a very nice tone. I like it. They go really well together. Did you guys pick that? Did you guys custom build it?
No, we found out that
We found out they did. Los Gatos? Yep. What do you think about their Dawn?
It's awesome. I like the interior a lot.
Good talk. My sister's here too. I've known Goalie all my life. Yeah, it's been a minute. Yeah.
It's been a few years.
What's your favorite car here, Goalie?
I would say the California. Ferrari California.
Oh yeah. Good choice. Alright guys, so I have this dope F12 behind me and it's really, really making me want the car more and more every day. And I just still haven't, look at this. That is beautiful. I can't decide yet whether if I want the F12 or the 720 and I've been actually thinking maybe a 458. I don't know. You guys have to help me out here. Help me decide which car I need to go with as my next daily driver, as you could say. Isn't this the most obnoxious truck you guys have ever seen?
Yes.
This thing is badass. And it's like
Fox shocks.
It's ridiculous. This is like I want to say this is a good 10 feet tall.
Probably, yeah. I mean, with the thing up there, it's probably 20.
Up there too. I don't think you could clear any parking lot with this. I love the purple with this wrap. It's like kind of like hexagonish, kind of like a beehive kind of wrap it's got to it. It's like purple tint. They go so well to each other.
Look.
I just wanna take it everywhere and just run over everything. You see what I'm here with? One of the original Squirrels. There you go, baby.
Unitix. Back.
Oh, what is this?
He just grabbed this door. Oh, burnout.
The cop.
Yeah, that's the same car that did the burnout.
Yeah, but it's the cop that grabbed it.
Oh my god.
Turn off the engine, babe. Why don't you just pull right in the fire lane right there, very slowly, and we'll have a San Jose officer come and talk with you. He's en route right now. Yeah, I know. Sir, if you could do that, we're gonna have the San Jose officer talk to you in a few minutes. Is your dick really this small? You've got the plate, right? Really? Fucking moron.
Was he trying to burn out?
Yeah, he did burn out earlier.
First time. Gets away with it the first time, comes back.
You can see his track. Yeah, who returns to the scene of the crime, you know?
Why did he come back? I know. This is so funny.
Cops or not, because it doesn't say cops on it, it says by security.
Oh, that's a...
Sanata.
Yeah.
Hey guys, this is Gino over here. We're gonna be doing some crazy videos online coming up. We just talked about some ideas and I think it'll be pretty fire, right?
Hella lit ideas, man.
Hella
we got
lit.
hella dope ideas. We're local, so we're gonna drop some cool shit, man. Pranks, cool stuff, man. Make sure to sub to this guy if you're new, man. For real, sub to this guy. He's lit. Squirrel Gang or no gang, man.
There you go, man. Hey, he's squirrel for life already. Alright, so we just got done with the car show. What'd you think?
It was awesome.
What'd you learn again?
Don't do burnouts in front of cops.
Nah, that's a really smart idea. What was your favorite car?
The truck.
The truck was your favorite car?
Yeah.
Well, that's my nephew for you guys. He's a talker. But thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe. Peace. That's how baller dogs live.